and Gloria to teach you how to make some natural bubbles. It's one of Gloria's favorite recipes. For this recipe, you'll need 1.5 cups of warm water, 1/2 cup of dish soap, 1/4 cup of light corn syrup, 5 drops of lavender essential oil, and a bubble wand. You can reuse one from an old bubble can or make your own. So to start, we're just going to mix all our ingredients together.
All right, so right now I'm mixing the corn syrup. And I'm going to put the dish soap in.
Yep, so the dish soap and water is what creates the bubbles, and the corn syrup holds it together. So the corn syrup will actually make it possible for these bubbles to freeze. If you want to try blowing them in the winter, the bubble will actually freeze and it ends up pretty cool.
Ooh, that sounds like fun. We should try that out.
And you can add 5 drops of lavender essential oil, and that's going to make this activity calming and relaxing for your child.
I got all my ingredients together. I got to stir it up. And then we shall see if it works well.
But it looks like it's dissolved.
Perfect.
And you can go ahead and test it out. If you're interested in making your own DIY bubble wands, I made this one for my daughter Ruth. Used some beads and some pipe cleaner. It was super easy to make, and this one says Gloria on it. You can make a circle at the end, and if you want, you can push the end in to make a heart.
Ooh, that's fun.
Another easy way to make bubbles is you can take the ring from a jar or even just your fingers in a circle and give it a blow and you'll get a bubble.
There we go.
And if you're really in the party mood, you can put on a bubble machine, which is Gloria's favorite way to use bubbles.
Whoa! Look at all those bubbles! Bubbles, 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 bubbles!
So you have this recipe card, lavender essential oil, and this sticker. Subscribe to our essential oil recipe box.
And if you subscribe today, you get this awesome bonus box on top of it. It has all the essentials that you're gonna need for the next 6 months to make the recipes that are coming your way.
And this box is kid themed, full of recipes and essential oils that your kid will love, just like this one. Ready, Gloria?
Bubbles!